Welcome to The Explainer. I'm so excited you're here today because we are tackling one of the most incredible yet universally frustrating topics in software engineering right now. If you've been tinkering with AI, you already know the deal. Building AI agents is powerful and prototyping them feels like pure magic, right? You spin up an idea, get it chatting, and it literally feels like you're holding the future. But taking that brilliant prototype and actually putting it into a reliable enterprise-grade production environment, well, that is an absolute nightmare. So let's dive into this and figure out how we can actually fix it.
It's the million-dollar question, isn't it? As developers, we love the happy path. You sketch out a prompt, wire it up to a language model, and boom, working agent on your local machine. But the exact second you try to scale that up, the reality of production hits you like a ton of bricks. We're going to break down exactly why this happens, and more importantly, how a completely new approach is changing the game for developers who just want to get their agents out of the lab and into the real world.
Here is our roadmap for the explainer today. 1. The AI production nightmare. 2. Google Cloud's agentic stack. 3. Building agents with ADK. 4. Supercharging agents with MCP. 5. Deploying and scaling. And 6. The universal agent language.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the AI production nightmare.
That deployment wall you hit usually looks exactly like this. First, the landscape is just incredibly fragmented. There are so many frameworks out there, and figuring out how to stitch them together is a massive headache. Second, if you build one agent in Framework A and another in Framework B, getting them to actually talk to each other? Painfully difficult. And third, the massive operational overhead. Think about how exhausting it is to manually wire up your logging, set up the monitoring, and try to wrangle governance across a whole system of agents. It is a lot.
But what if I told you that all three of these massive headaches could be solved with a highly specific toolkit? Google Cloud actually built a new stack designed to handle this exact nightmare, and the best part is, it comes down to exactly 4 focused components.
Which brings us to Section 2, Google Cloud's agentic stack.
Here are those 4 pillars. First, the Agent Development Kit, or ADK, which handles how you write the code. Second, the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, which standardizes how your agents talk to tools. Third, the Vertex AI Agent Engine, which is the managed platform to deploy everything. And finally, the Agent-to-Agent Protocol, handling that tricky cross-framework communication. Let's start with the very first step of the pipeline.
Section 3, Building Agents with ADK.
What is genuinely brilliant here is how lightweight the whole process is. To spin up an agent in ADK, you literally only need these 3 files: an agent.py for your core logic, a .env file for your environment variables, and a standard init.py file. That's the whole shebang. You completely bypass all that messy, complex boilerplate code that usually bogs down AI projects from day one. It is remarkably clean. And you know, every agent needs a brain, so ADK connects seamlessly right into the Vertex AI model garden. That means you can easily drop in your instructions, list out your tools, and then plug in a world-class model like Claude 3.7 Sonnet to act as the driving intelligence behind the application. Give it a name, give it a description, point it to the model, and you are up and running. Once your code is set, the developer experience is just fantastic. Let's say you're building a birthday planner agent. You can test it iteratively right from your terminal using the ADK Run CLI, chatting with it as you go. Or, if things are getting a bit more complex, you can fire up the built-in web UI. You can literally sit there and watch the orchestrator route requests between different agents in real time. It actually makes debugging enjoyable, which is saying something.
Moving right along to Section 4, Supercharging agents with MCP.
To give your agents outside capabilities, ADK uses the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. MCP is an open standard that completely unifies how AI models and agents securely access tools and data sources. This is what fundamentally solves that fragmentation problem we talked about earlier. Instead of writing custom API wrappers for every single new tool you want to use, MCP just standardizes the whole process. There's a great quote from the source material about ADK's design philosophy. We didn't want to reinvent the wheel, and they really didn't, because ADK has day zero integration with MCP. Any existing MCP server out there can be instantly converted into a tool for your agent. You don't have to build anything from scratch if an MCP server already exists for it. Contrast the old, painful way of doing API integrations with this. To give your birthday planner agent the ability to schedule calendar events, you don't need to write a massive script. You literally just need 2 lines of code to connect a standard MCP calendar server. 2 lines. Suddenly, your agent has entirely new, reliable capabilities. It's a total game changer.
All right, Section 5, Deploying and Scaling.
So you've built the agent, but nobody wants to spend their weekend manually wrapping it in Fast API and building containers. That is where Vertex AI Agent Engine steps in as a managed platform. Out of the box, it automatically tracks query latency, CPU usage, and memory allocation. It even manages the conversation sessions for you. This means you get to focus entirely on building amazing features rather than debugging server infrastructure.
And the flexibility is incredible. It does not lock you in. Whether you used Google's ADK or you prefer LangChain or LangGraph, it really doesn't matter. You can deploy your agent with a single command, and you instantly get enterprise-grade observability and logging wrapped right around it.
Finally, Section 6, the Universal Agent Language.
How do we get all these deployed agents to actually collaborate? The agent-to-agent protocol. The crucial takeaway here is that this protocol completely avoids proprietary lock-in. It passes messages using industry-standard protocols, HTTP, JSON, and RCP standards. This fosters genuine collaboration because absolutely everyone is speaking a common enterprise-ready language.
Think of it kind of like a professional networking event for AI. You have an agent skill, which is the specific function the agent actually executes. And alongside that, you have an agent card, which is basically a digital business card that exposes those skills to the rest of the network. An agent executor manages the room. So one agent simply hands its agent card to another, and complex cross-framework collaboration finally becomes a reality.
Which leaves us here. We've walked through how the agentic stack takes the nightmare out of production. You've got ADK for clean building, MCP for instant tool integration, the agent engine for effortless deployment, and the agent-to-agent protocol for seamless collaboration. The heavy lifting is finally handled. So now that the infrastructure is solved, what kind of multi-agent enterprise are you going to build? It is a fascinating time to be a developer. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. I hope it sparked some massive ideas for your next project.